Sumakay. Sumakay.
Sir! Let me enter
Spray muna bago mag-meeting.
Let me enter the ano.
What reason, sir?
Hey, sir.
What is your purpose?
I'm holding a gun. Arrest me, arrest me, arrest me.
Yes, so nag-arrest.
Arrest me too, arrest me too. Officer 2 arrest me too.
Bago si Santiago pala yun.
Sir, arrest me too. Oh! Sir, arrest me. Arrest me.
I open the case. Bring what very fast.
Tampakan nyo lang kahit mga 50k.
Nice one.
Hey, Benedict,
Go,
tell
go.
Contrajon I open ticket.
Go, sir. Go to jail. Nice one. Dito na ako mga pre. Kasama ako sa inyo, pre.
Bro, don't forget to morning na room, ha?
Long, pre.
Pasok!
Isa?
Enter the room!
Run here.
Bukas ako.
Enter the room.
Bro, he want to fuck you in the room first, lah. Go in, ha?
I will fuck you in the room, bro. Sir.
He put on one already, bro.
Pag-ayusin natin yan sa meeting.
Do you want to see my butt? Do you want to see my butt, sir? This is my butt, sir. No? This is my butt.
Why you fucking me?
Sir! Why you butting me, sir?
My butt hurts already. Benedict, what? Fuck me.
Why you butting me, sir?
Second warning. Where the third warning?
Change stream ka ba? Gagawa kami ng last stream
Sir,
namin
don't
eh.
butting me.
Gagawa kami ng last stream. Ay, ikaw pa yun, ano?
Why you butting me, sir?
Sino ka ba? Ano ka alam?
Chua, Mali, chua.
Benedict Chua.
Oo nga, hindi kailangan. Tama yan. Hindi kailangan mag-kick.
Thank you for submitting your what?
Ang tunay na deputy, hindi bigunin.
Hey, can address the...
Hey, what's the...
any question can address one.
Refuse.
I want to ask question eh. Oi,
Hey, refuse the documents.
why I go jail for nothing ah?
Yes.
You're keeping a green
Oh,
zone,
you're
right?
refusing documents. Refusing documents.
Sir, there's no evidence leh, sir. Let me go there, sir.
Why you butting me?
Louder, bro. Louder.
My butt is searched, bro.
You know more virginity, bro.
Bat me again. Hey, Benedict Chua, bat me again.